What's up YouTube? My name's George, here with Mint Explorer. This is my coffee. Just kidding, it's my beer. Yeah. There's 3 oil changes you could do to your truck. You could do your rear diff, your front diff, and your transfer case, all at the same time using the exact same oil. This whole video is gonna show you exactly what to do, but sometimes don't do it like I do it because I'm a noob. And I do mess up quite a bit. So, before we get into it, hit that like button, subscribe a little bit, leave a comment if you want during this video. You can tell me how bad I suck, how stupid I am. I really don't care. Just stay, enjoy, watch my mistakes. This is Mint Explorer. All right guys, what you'll need for this is Mobil 175W90. The next thing you'll need is a pump to go on top of these bottles so you can hand pump it. You need this whole sock wrench set. Just kidding, you just need the 24 mil. It'd be nice to go on Amazon and get a few more of these washers to replace the washers that you'll be taking out of your bolts. Use this, just kidding, it sucks. Use this 10 mil. This guy, he's been my trusty wrench for 10 years and he sucks. You know, throw him away. This guy's awesome. All right, let's now go below my truck to the rear diff. All right, here we are. This is the nut you wanna undo, and this is also the nut you wanna undo. You wanna undo the top one first to make sure that it's loose. If you don't do that, and you do the bottom, and all the liquid comes out, then you're in a world of hurt. Don't do that. Yep, trying to figure it out here. This is what a noob looks like, just messing up everything, just twisting all of it, just knocking cans around, just not knowing anything about anything. Yep, struggling because you got the wrong tool. Idiot. All right, broke that off, made sure it was loose. Now let's make sure the bottom nut can unscrew as well. There it is. Hear that pop. Get your can ready. Make sure you're ready for this ultimate spill. And I forgot to take off the nut on the top, so that's why you're seeing the streamline like how it is. Noob. Right there. All right, taking it off. And this is the stream you want. Right there. Yes, that's what you want. Back in the garage, we're checking out the bolt, making sure it's good, making sure it's not torqued or anything like that. These washers can get thrown away since we got new ones. Link for these guys are down below. Let's get down underneath the truck. All right, looks like there's no more liquid down below. Let's clean it up a little bit and let's add some of that Mobil juice. All right, look at how yellow this juice is. What I had in the car was nasty. It smelled nasty, it looked nasty, and this is so much better. It doesn't smell any better, but it doesn't smell any worse, that's for sure. Get a little bit of an arm workout with this job. All right, you want to tighten up the bolt on the top part. Make sure you have the right tool, because right here is the moment I realized that I broke my tool. My trusty tool for 10 years, I trashed it. All right, solid. Let's go to the front diff. This here is the front diff from the driver's side looking towards the passenger side. On the top, you got a 10 mil Allen, and on the bottom, you got a 10 mil Allen right there. And this tool, should have just thrown that in the trash because that was garbage. Anyways, I'll link the link down below if you want it. Broke right there.
Yeah, just broke enough torque.
Don't do that. Right here, don't do that either. Because that,
Oh no.
oh no indeed. Completely trashed that bolt. But I was able to hammer the Allen back in and get it going. Oh, there it is. Just broke the seal of that nut. Perfect. It was tight in there. As I awkwardly move the catcher underneath the front diff, because I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Placing it, making sure it's ready to shoot. Could get oh, it got everywhere. Oh yeah. Not paying attention, trying to get in there and just made a mess. Complete noob job right there. So noob. So noob. Making a mess on the trusty Home Depot cardboard. And spending extra time to clean that up. Awesome. All right, gonna wait for that to drip out as I go into the garage and grab some paper towels to clean up the mess that I just created. All right, I'm tightening up the lower bolt right now so we can get some of that mobile back inside. Some of that nice gold mobile. This is another great hand workout. Actually, all of these are. Front, rear, transfer case, some great arm workout in a very awkward way. As you see, the liquid is dripping out. That is your max point. Don't want to put in any more. You are full. Let's put it in the bolt on the top, and that's it. And that's how you do that. Super easy. Even a noob like me could do it. Stay away from the car dealership to do that. They charge you $150 for this. Yeah, right. I think this is a job for the garage. All right, transfer case. There we go. We want to hit that bolt and we want to hit that bolt. Going back to your 24 mil trusty nut to get these bolts out. Swing and a miss. Oh, no, I made it. That was pretty easy. Not much torque on that one. And not much torque on the second one either. All right, so both are loose, so you want to take the top one off first. Let's investigate. Oh yeah, that looks good. All right, that looks super clean up there. Let's get the bottom one out. Make sure you got your catch ready, because this makes a mess as well. Oh, that one moved. By the third time of me getting the liquid out of my car, I got it down. Finally got it down. All right, let's look this over. These two bolts looked much cleaner than the rear and the front diff. Awesome. Anyways, still got those new washers. Let's put it on. Get back under the car. Let's add some of our trusty gold mobile and do our fun arm workout in a very awkward lane position. All right, once you see that drip coming out, that means you're at full, and you can pull that out and clean it up and put the bolt back in. And that's it. That right there is your rear, front, diff, and transfer case. Thanks for watching. This is my garage. New person like me just changed out my rear, front, and transfer case. You could do that, you could save that money. That's about $150 per section. That's, oh, ow, that hurt. I know that's over 400 bucks that you could have saved. Like I said, I'm a noob. Don't take exactly what I do, but learn from my mistakes. Thanks guys, thanks for coming in. See you in this video. I got some new mods on the way. Hit subscribe so you know exactly when those videos are coming. Hit a like if you liked it. Leave a comment if you liked it or not. Let's talk. Let's see what I did wrong. Let's see what tools I used wrong. Let's see what tools I used right. It would help me to help you help me. It would be awesome. Let's just start conversing like that, okay? I don't know. Let's just stop watching this video now. This is horrible.